I teach it by saying on Monday morning, I say, guys, we're going to do something really fabulous on Friday. It's going to be really, really cool. You're going to love it. It's going to happen at 10:15 on Friday morning, and it's going to be so much fun. All right, so we're going to get through the week, and Friday, man, I can't wait to get to this thing. It's going to be so cool. And I put it on the board, Friday, 10:15. And they're like, okay, what is it? Yeah, I got to wait till Friday. Ah. And every day they come to me, they say, Miss, we're being good. Can you tell us, please? Can you tell us? Give us a hint. Friday, 10:15. I make them wait. Now, of course, it takes me all week to figure out what it is I'm going to do on Friday, because I usually got nothing planned. So I got to figure it out. But I try to, but I want them to experience what it's like to wait for something. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.